Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from Stoke Voltaics. Now I was sent this multi-function camping lamp from them directly. They wanted me to test and review this light. 15,000 milliamp battery pack included. Comes in this box. Nothing really there. So let's go ahead and open this up. See what's in. It's always nice to get new stuff like this. And we have a user manual. Now this light is in here, and I think the contents are below it. Now you get one USB charging cable, Type C, one felt pouch to store it in. Feels like good quality. And that's it on that. Let's go ahead and take a look at the light. There it is. Pretty big. There's no real gripping areas on this, but this is kind of a rough texture. These little wings come out. That'll help carry it a little bit better. Also got a hanging area here. I might as well show you that as well. Power bank, 15,000 milliamp, and then the charging port there. Hang it up. Here's the flashlight portion of the light. Now they don't specify what LEDs they're using in here, but those are a TIR optics, also known as special optics. Now this looks like there's LEDs behind this. Can't really see them, so it's well diffused. This is metal here and plastic on the ends. And it looks like a power switch, mode switch. It's got some weight to it. Feels rugged. Alright, well, normally I would open this up and show you the insides and the batteries, but this here is a sealed unit. Now it looks like this could be operating the two separate features on this light. So let's go ahead and start with the one here. Okay. See all the LEDs. Hope the camera can pick that up. No PWM, even at this low light output, so that's nice. Using the same button here. Oh, it goes down in light output there. Oh, you got your warm. Now that's very warm. That's probably 3500K. You got red and blue strobe there. And that's it on that. So let's hit the other one here. I got the flashlight here. Kind of see the double hot spots next to each other, spill area for the pull it back's probably going to be still lean more toward the flood. Different light levels there. And that's it on that. Let's see if we can run them both. Yep, we can run all of them together. Nice. Wonder if we can just turn it off with holding it. Nope, we gotta go all the way through the light outputs. Now this here is showing some type of indicator here. See if we can turn it off, go through all these here. Yeah, it's a battery level indicator there. Not too sure what that's, maybe standby or something. It's got full bars when you first turn it on. Maybe a standby LED. Interesting. Pretty straightforward on this. Shows you the name brand there. Nowhere else on the light does it say it. Definitely be nice for an area light, and if needed you got a flashlight. My only recommendation, because of the way this is shaped, if you don't have large hands, just simply open it up just a little bit, put your fingers in there. Easier to carry that if you have smaller hands. I'm still seeing this on here, and I've had it on for a little bit here, and this is actually heating up. So it's a hand warmer according to the user manual. That is crazy, because I felt it getting really warm. Not hot, but definitely warm here on the sides. Let me grab my temperature gun here and see how warm it's getting. Take it out of my package here. It's getting pretty warm there. I'll go ahead and look at 93, 95. So it's getting pretty warm. Wait another minute or so. That's pretty cool. Put this in your jacket pocket. Switch it from one to another. Both sides here are getting nice and warm. Let's try it now. Yep. Still building up the heat. Nice. If you're camping, definitely is a neat feature. It's getting nice and warm. So now, to turn it off, you're going to press and hold this button. Turns it off. A nice little feature. Still got good battery power. Only thing I don't like is you got to go through all those light levels. Wish they would be able to include an option where you can press and hold just to turn it off from whatever level you're at. Nice and warm. Alright, well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the Voltaics, Stoke that is. Let's go ahead and get started, see how it does. Buttons are on the tail here. Flashlight there. That's 38 feet from where I'm standing. 65 feet there. That's good. There it is on the fence. I'll give you an idea. I've got the wings out to be showing the flood portion. And it is making 138 feet. Wow. So definitely got some pretty good range for what it is. Get an idea there. There's the next level down. Still got the range on it there, but just less light output. And this battery pack should last a very long time. And then we got the blinking. So now let's go ahead and turn on the flood. You can see all around you. Probably about 20 or 30 feet there. Not bad. Next level down. So I'm going to turn all of them on here. Once I get done here with the warm white. It's pretty yellow. More like 3,500 Kelvin. A little too warm for me, but not bad. Now we're going to turn on the other light so I can get a balance of both warm and see the warm, how it goes out, cool white on the beam. And I'm going to change that. There we go. So with all of that, you got the floodlight shooting outside, quite a bit of light all together there. And this thing has a hand warmer. It's pretty cold tonight. It's about, I think it's about 50 degrees, I think. Battery level still good. Okay, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Nice performance. Now it's not super bright, but this here being an area light, something you'd hang in your tent, maybe even in your motorhome or anything to deal with camping, this thing here would definitely be something that would be a must-have, in my opinion, because it has the flashlight that has some pretty good range on it, especially for what it is. Now this here, having both cool white and warm white, is going to appeal to a larger audience. Some people don't like the cool white, and the warm white's a little too warm for me, so the cool white would be beneficial, in my opinion, for myself. But I do like the 5K is my preference. So if they had an area where they could implement maybe a balance between the two to make 5K, this would have been absolutely perfect for the floodlights. I like the way they hide away. Or you can use this to actually hold it better. So just simply opening them up a little bit, help you carry it a little bit better, even if you hold it from underneath. Able to get a better grip on it, especially if you have smaller hands. But in any case, these do throw off a lot of light, a large area, huge area. It's just the right amount of light. The brightest setting, of course, with this 15,000 milliamp battery pack that's built in, it's going to last a long time. The hand warmer, I did try it out there in the night shots, and it got, after about 5 minutes, this thing was really nice and warm. It wasn't hot, so I didn't get it any hotter than about 110 degrees. So that's about the maximum that it'll do. But when your hands are, 65, 70 degrees from being frozen, this thing will be wonderful. Just put your hands together and hold it. You'd be surprised how well this will warm up your hands, especially if you're out there. I was thinking about carrying this in the night shots, because sometimes when it's cold out there, my hands holding those cold aluminum lights, they get really cold quickly, but this could be easily just put it in my pocket, let it run while I'm doing the video, and then warm them in between. Something I might use, see how well this does, because it is a relatively larger light, but it does fit in the pocket just fine. The construction feels solid on here. This is plastic, to my opinion. This here being the aluminum areas here behind the light is all aluminum here in the center of it, but the rest of it is plastic ends on it. I still think it's going to be rugged for most applications. The LEDs, not sure what they use in them, but they do the job. Built-in power bank also is a plus. Now this is only a 2.4 amp charging rate, so it is a standard charging ability on it, which is going to be fine just to top off your cell phone or make an emergency call if needed. USB Type-C charging system, of course, pretty much everyone is going to it. It's the best one, in my opinion, that has ever come out. I want to thank Stoke Voltaics for sending me this multi-function camping lantern to review. Now, if this is something you are interested in getting, I will leave a link down below the video where you can get this. Also, I'm working on a special discount code that will help you save some money on that. If I do get it, it'll be there as well, just in case you're interested. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thanks button. Donate to my channel if you wish. Otherwise, you could please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these products from Stoke Voltaics to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care. Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness.